This is Abhishek Sharma. So this is the project one. So I will run my application. This is project one of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So let me make a new. So I will go for the requirements. So register by a user. So name Alice. So let me sign up. So I can now log into using the same username. So I'm successfully logged in. So users can log out too. Here the logout is also possible. Now users should. Now first of all, let me go for the import. So I can import the books that CSV, which consists of 5,000 different books, in the Heroku database by running Python script import.py. But the problem is it has just 10,000 rows, so that may be a problem because of it being a free database. So I will do that in a test database. Here I have a test database because the thing is same. The thing is same to import in a test database or Heroku database. So I'll run here. It has no any rows right now. So no any rows and only that table. So I will prove that now by running that import.py. It is here, import.py. So I'll run that. So look at that, see the output here. So all the 5,000 books are added in a blink of an eye. So now I can see here 5,000 rows now and all these books now. So it's working well. So now I can go to source space also. So when I log in using that Alice username, so I can log in now and I can search for the books. So let me quickly search for anything there. I search for Z or any letters also, like, but for the zebras things like this it will be error, that is no books matched my query. So I'll go for a simple book. Let me say, so this is a book title is Tick. So I will search by that, and by the title I can search by the author name also I can search that. So and then by the ISBN number also I can search that by half or a little bit also, like innings like that, and I can also search that. So it is working, by the way, and for a large number of books. So I typed in, so it shows me those number of books. Top 16 books I have shown that. And now, so book page users when click, then they should be taken to that book page detail. So let me go for the separation of power book. So book page detail, ISBN, title, author, year, Goodreads rating star are also here, and then book gen no rating. So I will put a rating here. Great. So I can see the reviews here. So I can see the reviews by other users also. So in the Steve Jobs book, I'm going for that. And here is the Steve Jobs book. And it is the reviews. And then Steve Jobs book, I made the reviews. So now Goodreads rating start also, I have shown this also. Users should be submitting that. Reviews also have shown. So now API also. So it's the Steve Jobs book ISBN number. I've typed that. Let me go for that. So API is also shown, and JavaScript API. So like this. So JavaScript API. Sorry, not that, but number also. Like this. So it will return a 404 status code error, and it is this. So I can go here, see the error. So it is the 404 error, status code error. So it is like that. I have another one, personal thoughts. This is my profile, so I can go for the books, current reading, favorite reading, finished reading, and want to read sections. So I can search here for like Steve Jobs book, and then I can put that in the favorite. I can put that in the want to read section, and it is the Flask here. So I have that favorite books, a little bit bug I think there. So in the want to read books and the favorite books also, I can delete from here, and it's not deleted here, so it's like that. So I think I've covered everything here, including my personal thoughts. So thank you.